Good morning, students. This is your English language period. Today we will do our work in copy. In the previous video, we have learnt about the adjective. You know very well what is adjective. Adjective are the words that qualifies the noun or a pronoun, or we can say they describe the noun or pronoun. So student, before starting the work, you have to write down the second term course or annual course. Students, if you have a new copy, then you have to write first your profile, then course. If you have an old copy, then you have write down only second term course. Then from the new page you have to write down the course. Then you after that you have do your today's work. So this is your second term course. Then write the month, October, definition of adjective and opposites. Lesson number 4 adjective, lesson number 13 adverb in book. In the month of November we have two students. In this month we are late, okay? November, definition of verb, gender, number and compound words. Then you turn your page. Lesson number 15 preposition book. In December we have to do essay, my city, similar words, binomial words, one word substitution. Lesson 16 joining words in book only. In January, essay, a postman, application, picture composition, people and the work they do. This is your second term course. After finishing this work, you have to start your work from the new page. Then we are going to write definition of adjective. So first of all you have to write down the today's date. Today's date is 5.11.20 and the quotation is hope is life. Then write adjective and then write heading definition. Students, you know very well what is noun. Noun are naming words. And what are pronoun? Pronoun are the words we use in place of noun or in place of naming words, like he, she, it, they, we, us, okay? And noun you know very well. So let's start the definition of adjective. An adjective is a word. Students, adjective is a word which describe a noun. Adjective is a verb which describe noun or a pronoun. If we are talking about any boy, okay? So we can say we describe a noun. So noun is boy. If we are talking about this boy so many times, then we use he. So he is also a pronoun, okay? So definition of adjective is an adjective is a word which describe a noun. Describe a noun means describe a Ram, or a pronoun like he. If we are talking about we are talking about Ram, then we use he. So an adjective is a word which describe a noun or a pronoun. Adjective वो word से जो noun या pronoun की विशेषता को बताते हैं. So after writing the definition, you have to start writing example. Leave one line from here, then write the example, heading of example. Mango is sweet. Our first example is mango is sweet. This sweet word, why we use sweet? To describe mango, okay? So mango is sweet is the simple present tense, okay? No student, I am talking about mango is sweet. So Sweet is the quality of mango. So we underline this word sweet. Sweet is an adjective. The second example, leave one line. I have 2 pens. How many pens I have? 2. So 2 is the quality here. Any number, any color's name, these all are adjective. So underline the 2. The last example is, this is a blue car. What is the specialty of this car? Blue car. Blue car. So blue is an adjective. Okay. So student, you have to write this definition very neat handwriting in your fair copy.